Welcome. In front of me is Gateway 71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to check MAC address of this device. To do this, simply open the start menu of your device, then search for CMD application. Once you see this command prompt, run it as administrator by clicking right here, then click yes. Then in the following field, input ipconfig spacebar / all. Press enter and you will see the list of network adapters of your device. Most of them will be disconnected. If you are connected to the network, one of them at least should be connected. Now each one has a MAC address, which you can find right here. The physical address is the MAC address of each of the network adapter on your device. Now, as you can see, my wireless LAN adapter is enabled, and the physical address on the enabled adapter is basically the MAC address that your device currently uses. And at the bottom there is also a Bluetooth adapter, which also has its MAC address. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.